If you're looking to beat over 90% of all actively managed funds, let me show you how. So over 90% of actively managed funds failed to keep up even with the S&P 500, which is closely followed by the SPY ETF over the last 20 years. If you want to beat out the majority of those actively managed funds over the long run, simply investing in something like an ETF such as the SPY or the VOO are very low cost compared to actively managed funds, which might be 1 or 2% versus 0.03 or 0.09%. These are also held by Warren Buffett and Berkshire Hathaway, and they've been going up at about 10.7% if you average them out over the long run. And always be aware that any investment that you make always has the potential to lose money. So in 2022, these lost, maybe 20+%. In 2023, they gained 24.8% plus a 1.4% dividend. If you're looking to become more financially educated, subscribe. I'm going to cover a lot of ways to make more money, save money, invest, as well as save tens of thousands of dollars on your taxes.